In this video, we introducing our olive wood Damascus steel pocket knife set. Unmatched quality and craftsmanship. Elevate your cutting experience with our 100% premium quality olive wood Damascus steel pocket knife set. This exquisite set is designed for those who appreciate superior craftsmanship and unparalleled functionality. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a culinary professional, our pocket knife set promises to be a reliable companion. What's included in this set? 1 6.5-inch olive. Wood. Pocket. Knife. Experience the elegance and strength of Damascus steel, combined with the striking beauty of natural olive wood. 2 5.5-inch 420C. Steel pocket. Knife. Crafted from high-grade steel, this knife provides excellent corrosion resistance and a sharp, long-lasting edge. Its compact size makes it perfect for everyday carry. 3 Genuine leather sheath. Protect your knives and style with our high-quality leather sheath. It's designed for durability and resistance, ensuring your knives are always ready for action. 4 Sharpener rod. Keep your blades in perfect condition with the included sharpener rod. 5 Gift box with care. Instruction. Card. Presented in a luxurious gift box, this set makes an impressive gift. 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. We are confident in the quality of our product. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied, return the set within 30 days for a full refund. No questions asked. Order now and experience the difference. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a set of knives that combines functionality, elegance, and quality. Click the link to order your olive wood Damascus steel pocket knife set today and enjoy the peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee.